hao.
Welcome
To Chengdu.
Hi.
Oh, he messaged me already.
It's our 8th day here in China, and we're in Chengdu today. Overcast, and we're gonna explore the city today. We're gonna hit some Sichuan hotspots, some tourist destinations in the city, and see what we find today. We have just called a Didi, which is their Uber system.
Didi.
Didi. Tricky though. We have to pay cash since our credit cards aren't working at all in this country.
That was breakfast?
Yeah, that was breakfast. It's only 9:30 in the morning.
Oh my god.
That was good. I liked it. I know
was good.
Paul wasn't crazy for it. He didn't like it, Paul, as much.
No, I liked it, but I think yes, it was somehow we found this random ass restaurant yesterday that had dandan noodles, which Jansen will put the photo on. I think that was better.
I liked it a lot. The noodles themselves were excellent. I probably ordered too many noodles, but we ordered the danjiamian. We had the mung bean. Was it not mung bean?
No, cowpea.
Cow peas, which tasted similar to the danjiamian. Then we ordered a spare rib that was kind of fish flavored. It was more brothy.
Fish ribs, spare ribs.
Yeah, fish flavored spare ribs. And then the waiter recommended we get the first one, which is like a spicy beef one, which I liked a lot, but that was spicy.
Ooh.
That was definitely the
It was
spiciest
spicy,
of all
but
things.
it was like you could taste the fresh chilies.
Yes, but it was good. I thought it was most flavor forward. With the danjiamian, we had to add some vinegar, which I think is not unheard of. So I think it was much better with a little more acid. Oh, and then we had the spicy wontons, which actually were my favorite. And the whole thing came to what?
56.
56
Which
RMB.
is how much in US dollar?
They'll say it on the bottom of the screen, don't worry. That will be edited out. All right, we're moving on. We're walking to the city now.
Oh, we're going
In order to combat spiciness in Chengdu, we've been doing yogurt breaks.
And today I tried something different. It's called a baked yogurt. It's actually quite delicious. It's almost like caramel yogurt.
I had peaches and oats.
I have strawberry and this yellow thing.
Oh, you're right. I have a little milk mustache. They're really yummy, the yogurts here.
This is 5.5 RMB, which is it will be underneath here.
I definitely think we have an eating disorder because every time we just finish eating,
We see food, we eat.
so what do we got here, kids?
We got a pork bun.
I think, oh my gosh, juicing out. Ooh. I got a scallion steam bun, piping hot, fresh off the oven steamer.
Go ahead.
So I think traditionally you're supposed to have this with soy milk or something. How much was this, by the way?
3.5.
3.5. So
Oh wow. That was good.
we came across a bakery, obviously, and we want to buy everything. Well, I do, and I'm making them buy everything right now. Everything looks really interesting, and this bakery looks really good. And we're in a residential neighborhood, so I feel like it's a little bit more local and also touristy, as we're gonna head to more tourist spots. But Hall and Paul are buying the stuff right now. I chose a lot of things, and we're gonna try to agree not to eat it all at this moment. But I don't know if we will be able to hold that. I've been wanting to get the Japanese or this fluffy cheesecake cake, and we've been seeing it sporadically throughout the trip. We just bought some.
Warm.
See?
It's not warm. It's cold. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. What are we eating? Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Just what are we eating? Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Everybody jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
True.
This sounds cool. Oh, good. It's really good.
Oh my god, so good. It's so fluffy.
They're all laughing at you.
It's so fluffy.
Oh, this is really good.
There's almost no flavor, but hey.
This is like the best thing you can eat about Ichiran.
It's really good.
This is really good.
How much was it?
10.
It's $1.40.
How could you leave me alone without a lie? You know it hurts, hurting these words without you now. I cannot get over you. I keep on wanting you all.
We're at Quasi Alley, which is a whole little restored area of all these little shops. Walking around, check out the sights. It's crowded though. Ooh, but luckily we're very full, I think, so we're not gonna be easily tempted by food here. We'll see.
Cause I've been meeting you halfway. Outside is dark, but in my heart I feel alive. I can have you take my heart from me. I just wanna share it honestly. Let me tell you something on my mind. Here's what I've been thinking all this time. So good, so good, so good.
We have now walked over to People's Park nearby, where this is a very large central park for Chengdu. It's cute. It's a lot of pathways. Still very crowded. Lots of people around.
So good, so good, so good. So good, so good, so good. Together, babe. We could be so good. Together, babe. We could be so good, so good. Together, babe. Love you like I should. Love you like I would.
We just ordered 3 cups of tea at a tea house in the People's Park. We ordered a green tea, a jasmine tea, and a yellow tea.
Oh, it's good. Green tea one?
So in the park, while you're having tea, you can get ear picking done by people who walk around and pick your ears. Paul's contemplating doing it. We don't know how much it is. We're gonna find out. I'm a little worried about the sanitation of this all, and also they just seem to throw the wax into the air, which is kind of gross, and we're eating and drinking tea. We're not sure how we feel about this. Paul, you're not gonna do it?
No, definitely not.
We'll see. We're now eating those pastries in the garden. This wives cookie brownie thing. I think it's mung bean inside. This is the best one I've ever had ever. It's a pretty nice way to spend the afternoon. The fact that you can bring your own food to go with the tea. We decided not to do the air thing. Such an unusual activity. Decided to do the air candling. Yeah. Oh, that's weird. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, Paul, I think she said there was a lot. We just did the air picking. What do you guys think?
I didn't really feel it much. It was fine. Felt a little refreshing. Kind of put me to sleep a little bit because
It
it
did
felt
not.
like kind of like you were in pain. You looked like
Yeah,
you were in pain.
it hurt. The right ear hurt a little. Like someone
that's-
pinching the back of my eyeball. That's how I can best
That's,
describe
like,
it.
Stuffed with stuff. Like I saw
Wait,
her
no.
pulling a lot.
No.
She looked at it. She's like, huh? She was shocked when she saw your ear. She's like,
How'd you feel, Hall?
It was good.
that a lot of
I didn't feel anything on my left side, but the right side, like, I felt a lot more. It felt really good, like scratchy, but it hurt a little bit on the right side. I
Was
mean,
she-
not
was
hurt.
she-
It's sensitive.
do you want to check my ear and see if it's clean now?
Oh, it does look clean.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
it
yours
does look clean.
too.
Really?
Yeah, usually you have crust.
Oh my
all
god,
over
yours
it.
is clean too.
Oh, mine is so.
What do you
clean.
mean? Is it really?
Yeah, usually you have like crusts
Yeah,
everywhere,
usually I have
but
crust everywhere.
it's clean.
It's very clean.
I don't have crust everywhere. All right, we're done. Ear
would you-
picking.
you didn't-
I don't know if it's healthy or sanitary, but whatever. I did it. It's fine. Let's go up and look at the square.
Thinking about me, thinking about you, how we let go. There's something so real, so much to feel. I want you so. I cannot get over you. I keep on wanting you always. Never say never, I do. 'Cause I've been meeting you halfway. Outside is dark, but in my heart, I feel alive. I can have you.
Afternoon break of getting foot massages. This came to a full package for 80 minutes for $168. So 168 for a foot massage. They give you uniforms. You get tea
come in.
and coffee. So we just did our massage, foot massage for 80 minutes. It was actually really good. We were in a private room and
Best one in China so far.
so far our best massage today, and it felt
we've been
really
very disappointed with
long, which is really nice. There's lots of components, and they did everything from
Clean feet.
start our feet, and then I just
They
shoot the
actually
part
did a
where
salt scrub.
they
Nice.
cleaned it, they scrubbed it, they moisturized it, they massaged it, then they flipped us over and did our back.
Shoulders.
Yeah, it was very nice and relaxing. It's nighttime, which means dinner time, so off to dinner.
We are at a traditional Sichuanese restaurant. I guess this is the birthplace of Mapo Tofu. So we're here to try the famous local dish called Mapo Tofu.
Okay, so most importantly, what's everyone's thoughts about the mapo tofu?
It's spicy.
It's good. I mean,
Yeah.
it's good.
It's very flavorful.
It's very flavorful.
Tofu is like a really nice texture.
It's different than what we have in the States. The States, I feel like it's like a
It's mild
it's
compared
like
to this.
a washed down version
Yeah.
of it.
I like the peppercorns actually. It's just the right amount of Sichuan
But
peppercorn.
this is going to be amazing.
It's like a steamed
What is that?
beef with wheat. Very good.
All right, so we just finished eating at the
Oh no, my stomach.
we just finished eating at the Chen Mapo Tofu restaurant, and I really like that meal. One of our more well balanced meals that we've had. Yeah, we had lots of it.
Spicy.
Actually, only two things were spicy.
Mapo was good.
Mapo tofu, the kung pao chicken was probably your favorite.
Kung Pao chicken was amazing.
Kung pao chicken was really good. It was very caramelized.
They did recommend a new-
Sugary peanuts with spice nuts. We also had, for I guess as a relief, they give us like these fried mochi sticks served with the Chinese brown sugar. That was really good, and it really does the trick of being able to cut down some of the spiciness. And then you have a little bit of that, and then you go back to the punishing spice of the mapo tofu, which was spicy, but I kept going back to.
I like you.
In a
Oh
very
yeah, how much
nice-
was that weigh?
It was $156 in a very nice restaurant. I thought it was gonna be a lot more.
All right, so up next, we're walking over to the Sichuan Opera House to watch a show tonight. Next.
See if I can suck it up.
We're so blue.
you guys think?
It was good. It was good.
Yeah, it was interesting. These people are horrible. Anyways, it's not just a traditional opera. It has lots of modern elements too, and kind of more of a talent show, a mixed match of different things. Anyways,
Just
it's a fun show.
I think they were lip syncing.
Tickets cost us $260,
280.
280 RMB. So
But we sat front and central. We first row in the center.
we are done for tonight.
We'll try to sleep early so we can go see the pandas.
Yeah, tomorrow we have pandas for you.
Bye.
Night. Welcome.
to Chengdu.
There's no enthusiasm there at all. Was it? Why is everyone late looking at the camera? She had a late start. We enjoyed some of the amenities at the St. Regis. At St. Regis. And
Look at my new dance.
we're gonna get breakfast.
Next dance.
Yeah.
No, because the girl that was singing, or I thought she was singing earlier.
Edit!
The next one.
Edit! This is riveting. Riveting television today.
So much.
Riveting.
I'm so bored out of it.